Are you looking for an emergency light source that is portable, lightweight, can be charged with solar energy, and can even charge your phone? Hi, I'm Jonathan, the Provident Prepper. When Nate from LuminAID reached out to us to see if we would be interested in reviewing this lantern, we were totally excited because we are solar lighting fans. Actually, this was named the best backpacking lantern. In this video, we will review the PackLite Max 2-in-1 phone charger by LuminAID. I think you're going to like this. Nate from LuminAID reached out and asked if we would be interested in trying out the PackLite Max 2-in-1 phone charger. Here's our review. One of the things that makes this product unique is that it is a light and a phone charger in one package.
On the lowest setting, you can get 50 hours of light on a single charge. The PackLite is incredibly bright, and on the turbo, it actually produces 150 lumens for between 3 and 5 hours. If it's on high, it'll produce 75 lumens and give you about 6 to 8 hours of runtime. Medium, you have 18 lumens with 16 to 18 hours of runtime. Low is only 15 lumens, but you can get almost 50 hours of runtime. The flashing feature will provide 15 lumens for between 60 and 72 hours. And it has the ability to light a 200 square foot area.
The thing I really like about this is that it recharges in the sun. In 12 to 14 hours, you can have this from empty clear to full.
And if you notice, it is sitting in a south-facing window in our house. One of the things that I like about this solar product and other solar products is that I can just leave them in this south-facing window so that they are always charged. But if you're in a hurry, it will recharge with a USB in between 1 and 2 hours.
When you push the red button in the upper right corner, it will show you what level it's charged to.
One of the great things about this LuminAID PackLite is that it gives you the ability to recharge your cell phone no matter where you're at.
And it is rugged and durable. Ben and I took this out to throw it around for a little bit. It did just fine.
When this PackLite first arrived, I was pretty skeptical because you blow it up. And you kind of associate blow up toys with things that pop and are destroyed. But I have been incredibly surprised, seriously, how durable this PackLite is, because these boys can totally play with it and it's okay.
Along those lines, be aware that it is a little bit like a beach ball, and if you put that out to charge without strapping it down some way, the wind will blow it.
And I would avoid heat sources because I do think that it would melt if you got it too close to a fire or a wood-burning stove or something.
When you're ready to travel, it will deflate and becomes very compact and easy to carry.
And it only weighs about a half a pound. One of the other features that I really like about the PackLite is that it's waterproof. It will float and water does not damage it. From our perspective, we always take the angle of emergency preparedness. How will this tool help us in the event of a power outage or in the event that we need to evacuate? So this is one of the ways that Jonathan had devised to be able to use it to light the whole room by putting it up on this stand. And it really is a surprisingly bright light.
The reason this was designed to inflate is so that that light can be diffused out to a large area.
So my overall impression of this light is that it is safe. I don't have to worry about it catching anything on fire. I don't have to worry about any of the little kids or grandkids doing anything to hurt it unless they have a sharp object. That could be bad. But for the most part, it just really is a very safe light, and the energy source is renewable. It'll go all night long and I can recharge it the next day, and so it can be a continual light source without using up any batteries.
From my perspective, I do like the renewable nature of it. It is versatile, it's portable, and it's fairly durable, so I'm a big fan.
If you'd like to know more about this PackLite or other LuminAID products, we'll put a link in the description for you. Emergency lighting is very important. Darkness brings with it all kinds of different dangers, and we need to make sure that when the power goes out, we have the ability to light our world. If you take a look at the providentprepper.org, Brilliant ideas to literally light your world in a power outage. We review all kinds of different emergency lights, and it might give you a good starting place to design your own plan.
And on our YouTube channel, there is an accompanying video, Power Outage Lighting. Again, we go over a lot of different sources, a lot of options for you. Choose the one that works for you. It is important for us to prepare for power outages. In the video, Critical Power Outage Preps, we look at some different things that you can do to make sure you are ready if the lights go out. Check them out. This PackLite is an impressive solar lantern, and the fact that it can charge your phone makes it even that much better. We will leave a link in the description if you're interested in getting one of these for your emergency needs. And now for the question of the day. What is your favorite source of emergency lighting? Comment below. And thanks for being part of the solution.